Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create face swap editing with Remake AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit this website, remaker.ai, and then here you can choose face swap, and you will have two options. The first one is photo face swap, and the second one is video and GIF face swap. And I'm going to try this photo face swap first. Okay, here we can upload the original image and also the target face. And for the original image, I'm going to choose this one. And for the target face, I'm going to choose this one. And then we just need to click on swap. Okay, and it needs 1 credits, as you can see. Before you use this website guys, I recommend you to sign up to this website, and then you will get 30 credits for free. Okay, and this is the result. If you want to download it, just click on download. Okay, and the second one, I'm going to try the video and GIF face swap. It needs 8 credits, and then I'm going to upload a video. And wait, I'm going to upload for example this video. Okay, and then for the target face, I'm going to upload this one. Click on open, and then sorry guys, it doesn't need 8 credits, but you will need 7 credits. But wait, I think it depends on the duration. I'm just going to make it 8 seconds. Okay, and let's try. Okay, yeah, it depends on the duration. And I'm just going to make it 4 seconds. And then click on regular swap. Okay, and just hold on. Okay, and now my video is ready, and let's play it. This is for the result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!